This morning in our series, Vaccinating America, we're looking at one of the biggest challenges in making sure people all across the country have access to the vaccine and that it's getting to people in rural areas
It's been a real challenge to this point. NBC's Dasha just got back from South Dakota, where she followed one man over hundreds of miles as he delivered doses of the vaccine to some of the communities there. Dasha, good morning.
Hey, Kristen and Peter, good morning. In rural areas across the country, folks often have to travel long distances to get health care. But when it comes to rural vaccine rollout, South Dakota has done better than most. And that's thanks, at least in part, to a courier system that's been the Pony Express of medical deliveries there even before the pandemic. And it's an epic task, considering one South Dakotan described the state to me this week as beyond rural, saying it's frontier.
Corey Diedrich is about to head off on a very long journey to deliver vaccines to rural communities across South Dakota.
Our territory is vast. Weather's a huge concern.
The route, 425 miles, 5 stops.
Presho, a small town in central South Dakota, is actually the town I grew up in. So the vaccines that are going to Presho are going to end up in the arms of people that I've known my whole life.
Corey works for Sanford Health, one of the 3 main health systems leading the charge in vaccinating the state. Just a couple of months ago, South Dakota had some of the worst COVID death rates in the world. But now it's among the top states for vaccinations per capita. No small feat for a rural state with a lot of wide open spaces. Our first stop, the town of Chamberlain, was devastated by the virus.
How hard was it to see the impact of COVID-19 on your friends and neighbors here?
It was very difficult taking care of patients in the ER or even in the clinic who had COVID, seeing them go to Sioux Falls and some of them not even coming back.
About 20% of the U.S. population lives in rural areas. Residents are at especially high risk for COVID-19 because the population is older with higher rates of chronic disease and poverty. Death rates in these areas are now exceeding those in urban areas.
All right, you ready?
So a vaccine delivery can truly be a lifesaver.
People are so fortunate that they can come in here to their hometown clinic and get this vaccine, and some people would have to drive hundreds of miles round trip twice.
The trip is not an easy one.
We've been following Corey across this massive stretch of land that Sanford covers. It's negative 18 degrees today. We've had ice and snow on the road, windy conditions. But Corey's team, they do this every single day.
Let's see a big hug.
A warm welcome from Corey's family when he showed up back home in Presho. Population 426.
Very proud of our son. So you
can you tell?
But they're not the only ones happy to see him.
We didn't think we were going to get vaccine here until the summer.
How soon are those shots going into arms?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Like many facilities in rural areas, these vaccine doses need to be used quickly because they don't have cold storage.
We've seen you deliver 500 vaccines to a place like Chamberlain and then 20 doses to a place like Presho. To some folks, 20 doses might not seem like a lot.
It's 20 doses that matter to 20 people in Presho. It mattered to those people, so that's why it matters for us.
And guys, it's not just Corey. There are many routes and many couriers. Just this past week, Sanford delivered about 3,200 doses to 17 different rural sites in South Dakota. They'll do it again next week. They say they could do much more if they had more supply. Kristen, Peter.
Dasha, what a fantastic piece. We appreciate the miles you traveled to bring that to us. When you look at that open road, Peter, it just underscores how incredible that task is.
Yeah, no doubt. It's going to be an all-hands-on-deck deal to beat this pandemic. Dasha, thank you so much for that.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.